When it comes to kitchen maintenance, the humble sink strainer is gaining renewed attention. With homeowners seeking both style and practicality, modern sink strainers are now evaluated not just for material, but also for design innovation, clog prevention, and ease of cleaning. This guide examines 5 top-rated options on Amazon.
List number 1. HoneMine 2-piece sink strainer for most kitchen sink drain. Basket. The HoneMine 2-piece sink strainer offers excellent value without compromising on durability. Crafted from stainless steel, this strainer features a double-layer design that enhances safety. The smooth edge minimizes the risk of cuts while handling debris. According to the manufacturer, the outer diameter is about 4.5 inches, making it compatible with many standard sink openings. In use, the fine perforations, just 0.08 in, effectively trap food scraps while still allowing water to flow. Because it's a 2-pack, you get backup or can use one in each sink pole, a big plus for homes with dual sinks. Cleaning is straightforward. No tools are required to remove the strainer, and it can be rinsed by hand or washed with soapy water. Many users highlight its rust resistance, thanks to its stainless build. As noted in a broader review guide, this model excels in pure straining performance and is often praised for its simplicity and longevity.
List number 2. OXO Good Grips Silicone Sink Drain Strainer. The OXO Good Grips Silicone Sink Drain Strainer combines smart design with soft materials, perfect for modern or delicate sinks. Its primary basket is made of flexible, food-safe silicone that won't scratch surfaces, unlike hard metal strainers. W0rk. To empty the strainer, simply lift via the central post and invert the basket. The flexible silicone inverts easily, dumping out debris without you needing to touch the mess. W0rk. This clean-out design makes it more hygienic. The bottom of the strainer also has a smooth silicone surface, which won't damage your sink. The OXO strainer is dishwasher safe, making deep cleaning very convenient. W0rk. Because of the soft design, it's particularly appealing for sinks made of delicate materials, like ceramic, or for users who want an easy-to-clean, low-maintenance option.
List number 3. 2-count 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer and stopper. If you want both a strainer and a stopper in a single device, the 2-count 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer and stopper is a versatile choice. This pop-up unit combines 3 functions. It acts as a strainer to catch food particles, functions as a plug to hold water in the sink, and seals odors when needed. This type of design typically uses a stainless steel top, plus a basket, often made of PP or similar material. The pop-up bounce core mechanism allows you to press once to store water, press again to drain, while continuing to filter debris. Cleaning is fairly easy. The basket lifts out, letting you empty food scraps quickly and rinse. Many users appreciate that they don't need a separate stopper and strainer, and the 2-pack gives you one for each sink or a spare. On the downside, the mechanism is a bit more complex than a simple stainless steel strainer, so there's more to clean and a greater chance of wear over time.
List number 4. Upgraded 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer and sink stopper, stainless steel. The upgraded 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer and sink stopper takes the 3-in-1 concept up a notch with premium materials and a robust build. As described by U-Buy Bangladesh, this model fits US standard 3.5-inch, 3.5-inch drain holes and is made of 304 stainless steel, known for being highly resistant to rust and corrosion. Inside, a PP basket captures food scraps efficiently. U-Buy Bangladesh. Plus, the pop-up mechanism uses a brass bounce core, which gives it a solid feel and quicker rebound when pressed. Aquanest. Because the basket is removable, cleaning is straightforward. Just lift it out to dump debris. In addition, the strainer is oil and water resistant, which helps keep it clean and fresh. This model is praised for its durability, thanks to the stainless steel construction and strong internal spring. On the flip side, because of its 3-in-1 functionality, it's slightly bulkier than a regular basket strainer, and the higher price reflects the added complexity.
List number 5. W0rk Kitchen Sink Strainer. Rounding out our list is the W0rk Kitchen Sink Strainer, a straightforward yet high-performance choice for everyday use. Constructed from stainless steel, this strainer boasts a high-density fine mesh that efficiently traps food waste while allowing water to drain freely. The outer rim is smooth and designed to avoid scratching your hands or damaging your sink surface, an important safety feature. The model is compatible with a wide variety of standard sink sizes. Its outer diameter is roughly 4.33 inches and the depth is about 1.18 inches. Customers frequently praise its build quality. According to reviews, it's durable, easy to install, and simple to clean. Just lift it out, dump the debris, and rinse, or toss it in the dishwasher. Many users also appreciate that the handle, post, stands up for easy grip, making it much easier to remove even when full.